Welcome to the Vision Services Library Catalog at the Provincial Resource Center for the Visually Impaired. This video will go over the basics of how to search for items in the catalog. On the main library catalog webpage, there is a series of search fields. On the right-hand side, there are some basic search tips and some links to access the most recent additions to the library catalog. To run a general search, enter your search terms in the topmost search box that says Enter any word or phrase. If you're looking for more specific items, you can use the series of search fields underneath to refine your search by searching any combination of the title, author, subject, format, grade level, or ISBN. In this video, we'll be demonstrating a general search with a top search box. For example, if you want to find any items on Canadian history, type in Canadian history in the box and then click the search button or hit the enter key. On the search results page, you will see the items that match your search. The icons on the left indicate the material type, for example, if the item is in Braille or in large print. You can narrow down your search results by using the options on the right. Let's say you're interested only in items about Canadian history at the 8th grade level. Under the grade level box, select 8. Your results will automatically refresh with the items that match your search. In addition to grade level, you can also limit your results by format, subject, author, and publication date. Buttons will appear at the top of your results list to help you keep track of how you've narrowed down your results. Any limiters used can be cancelled by clicking on the appropriate button. The results page displays a brief view of each item. To view a detailed page about an item, click on the title or the detail button. The detailed page will give you all the available information about the item. If you want to see all other items that are by the same author or share the same subject, click on the available links. From both the full record and the search results page, you can save items that you're interested in by clicking on the Add to Cart button. Items can be added and removed as needed. To view your list of items, click on the Cart Checkout link in the left-hand menu or the View Cart link in the top right corner. From this page, you can also request the items from the library or clear your cart. In addition to the cart, the left menu has a few other useful links. Search the Catalog will take you back to the main search page, and Help with Searching will take you to a page with some tips and hints for searching. There is a link to access your PRCVI account, and another that allows you to suggest titles that you would like PRCVI to procure or produce. You're now ready to search the Vision Services Library Catalog. Thanks for watching.